2016 marks the first of the next 50 years of our Singapore story. Therefore, wanted a theme that was more futuristic to showcase our Singapore of tomorrow. The stadium's infrastructure and facilities allow us to produce a unique show for Singaporeans.
The reason for Heart was because I want to, instead of showing others what they already know, like the past year logos, like infrastructures and all, I want to show people that what they don't see, the love for Singapore. And for writing a new chapter, I thought maybe we could use handwritten fonts.